hey man, what happened to all the I ain't getting them because of the toe cap? They gonna sit because of the toe cap. Nobody feeling them because of the toe cap. And it seemed like all that energy switched up super quick, and these things sold out instantaneously, man. It seemed like all the rumors about them being super limited was pretty true. We gotta talk about this release of the Air Jordan 10 Steals, and also kind of talk about the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds, and kind of how that release was a little bit weird. I don't even know if they dropped on Undefeated today, so we got a lot to talk about, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy DEVINTAGE, man. We are back in full effect, and it's always greatly appreciated for you guys to come through, see what your boy DEVINTAGE is talking about again, bro. It is a loaded week of sneakers, a loaded month in sneakers, bro. We have so much coming out, bro. We are just like Undefeated, Steel 10, Shattered Backboards, French Blue 12s, like so many releases. And the shoe that I forgot all the way about this month, you guys know I'm a huge fan of them, and that is the Cough Drop Foam Posits. I cannot wait to get them in the collection. Been wanting them forever, and they bringing them back out, bro. It's the best year for sneakers, and I know February was loaded with drops, March was loaded with drops, but bro, August, man, this might be the most expensive month, and it's back to school time. So if you got kids and little ones, you just spending even more money on these sneakers, man. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you guys run them likes up, bro. The likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. So hey, hold off for a second, hit that thumbs up. Let's continue today's video. But before we get any further in the video, kind of wrapping up the Steel 10s and the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds, I gotta let you guys know about the best spot to get your shorts this summertime, and even leading to the school time. If you out there, you about to go back to school, the drippiest shorts on the market, and that is from no other than Kinetic Kings. Now they sent me over a couple of shorts that I tried on previously, but I've been shopping with Kinetic Kings and been wearing their shorts almost like 3-4 years now, man. So here goes a pair of shorts right here, probably my go-to right now, the pinstripe joints with the Kinetic at the bottom. And I love the quality, the materials they threw with these Kinetic Kings shorts. It's a couple more that you guys do see me rocking some from time to time, man. But you guys can use my discount code DEVINTAGE to save 10% off your entire order. And the shorts y'all see now is not even near all they have. They have a plethora of options for you guys to go shop with, so make sure you guys go check out Kinetic Kings, link down below. Tell me your boy DEVINTAGE sent you, and also save some money with that code DEVINTAGE. All right, man, so let's go ahead and chop it up about the Air Jordan 10 Steals. Yo, like literally, what happened? I swear, bro, you guys go watch my early look that I did on these Air Jordan 10 Steals, and people's like, man, I don't want them, they trash, the steel, the toe box, I ain't feeling it. And I just feel like people do that in order to kind of sway other people's opinion. That's why I always tell you guys, buy what you like, because people be really catching folks up with these comments in the comment section, these comments on Instagram, these comments on Twitter. People were talking down about the toe cap. And I told you guys, the nostalgia alone, the Steel name alone is going to sell for these Air Jordan 10. So if you guys are sleeping under a rock, if you guys are trying to play this release like it was like some other like GR, it did not turn out to be the case. And they flew, bro. I even went for an extra size 9.5 on the sneakers app today, and I'm talking about them things was going quick, and it was kind of like, yo, I can't believe we got a pair of 10s that's moving like these joints right here, man. So just checking out a couple of details of the box. You guys can see you got a pair of you got 2s, 3s, 4s, you got all the way up into 8s. I think that's about it. I don't see any. Oh, actually, you got a pair of 9s on the side of the box, and of course it ended up into the Air Jordan 10 Steels. Check out the official size tag. It says Air Jordan 10 Retro, white, black, light steel, and gray. Go ahead and check that out real quick. And then inside the box, like I said, I ain't even been inside the box since I originally got them, but you got some regular brown tissue paper, and I don't think they came with like a retro card or anything. So yeah, no retro card or anything like that. It's some brown tissue paper and a dope box for the presentation of these Air Jordan 10 Steals. Something that I did definitely mention in the early look that I did do on these Air Jordan 10s is the leather quality. Every part of this shoe where it has leather is super tumble, and that's why I kind of feel like, you know, when you get leather material and quality like this right here, you kind of can sum up that it is going to be a limited drop, because they're not going to do a GR mass produced sneaker with this nice leather quality that they did throw on these steel 10s. And again, bro, the toe cap is something that a lot of people was talking so much trash about. People said they didn't want them, people saying they trash, and I think they did all of that to kind of persuade people not to get the shoe, because people are hype beasts. But let's just be real, people are hype beasts. They follow hype, they follow trends, they do not buy what they genuinely do enjoy. And that's just how it has been the last couple of years, bro. If something sits, nobody can say it's dope. If something sells out, then, you know, you can't say it's trash. It's just like we're in a point in time where people are literally not buying what they like. They're only buying what everybody else likes. And people were tricked, and they were, you know, kind of bamboozled into thinking that these aren't a dope pair of Air Jordan 10s. Like, we don't even get Jordan 10s like that. So why would you even listen to somebody else saying that they ain't dope? Like, bro, just because it got a toe cap don't mean nothing. You go back and read the history, go back and look back at the nostalgia, the impact these steel 10s had, then you'll probably think a lot differently when it did come to this release day. And what's weird is, bro, I know y'all probably not gonna believe me, but I was looking at the resale value, and I'm like, bro, they sitting at 280 right now. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? 280, they might drop a little bit, but then when the release came and they went just like that, that limited number that we all heard, like the 10 or 15,000 pairs, kind of seemed like it was true, because they sold out super quick. And now my size 9.5 is going for like $360 on the Go app. Like, bro, what happened that quick with these steel 10s, bro? But again, the steel 10s were something that, you know, people said they ain't want, they ain't gonna put no energy towards, and here we are today, and these things flew just like that. Of course, you know, at the bottom of the sneaker, you have all the accolades. You have the 94 all the way through, or you got the 85 with the 94 going from the bottom up. And of course, you got to see all the different, you know, hits that they did throw in there with the baby blue or the UNC blue, Tar Heel blue, whatever you want to call it, Jumpman at the bottom. It's crazy, bro. I love the steel 10s. Again, toe cap is something you do have to get accustomed to and grow into liking. But, you know, minus the toe cap, again, I told y'all, bro, this is the steel 10s. They gonna do what they do. So let me know down below in the comment section if you guys did secure a pair of these joints today on the sneakers app or wherever they might have been releasing in your areas. Super interesting to know them, but all I do know, they went just like that, and it seems like people energy did kind of switch up. Like, look at my last video, I talked about the steel 10s, and kind of looking at the release today, they not adding up, bro. Like, what just happened, you know, about 2 weeks ago? Like, what happened to all that energy? And now it seems like everybody and their mama wanted a pair. And now that they sold out, right? Everybody say they dope, they fire, I needed them. Bro, go look at them comments last video we did about these. Hey, that energy definitely switched just like that. And I need you guys' help, man. We've seen the release, I guess, of the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds on Undefeated's website, but I didn't see anything. Like, you know, I was kind of busy today, you know, at the gym, kind of check out a couple different stores, and you know, I came back here and I still didn't see nothing about the Undefeateds on Undefeated's website. So I'm like, yo, did they drop? Are they pushing it back? Or I really am lost about the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated release on the website. I know they did the online raffle, the in-store raffle, and I thought they were doing a regular drop on their website, but I could be wrong. I need you guys' help. And if you did hit, or if you know a little bit about the release of the Undefeated 4s on the website today, please let me know in the comment section, because I was super lost about that drop, if it even did happen. I was scrolling, refreshing, and all I heard was the same song playing over and over again. I'm like, yo, I can't even select the size. I can't even see the drop, or I didn't know what was going on, bro. So y'all please help me down below in the comment section. Yeah, man, kind of wrapping up the 2 drops today, or I think it was just one. These steel 10s, they went just like that. And if they dropped in any, like, your, you know, local shops, please let me know where you did snag them from if you didn't hit on the Nike sneakers app, man. But again, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Thank you so much, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, notification bell, because we have a lot more content to come, bro. We got a lot of content to come, and it should be another pair of Jordan 4s touching the collection soon. And I've been eyeing these for a minute. I can't wait to add them to the collection, man. But again, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. All this being said, man, let's go ahead and throw these steel 10s on feet real quick. Like, let's see how they look, bro.